If you've lost access to your Shaarli account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Shaarli login page. Go to the official Shaarli login page using your web browser. Look for the option that allows you to recover your account, typically labeled as Forgot Password or Need Help. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Shaarli account in the recovery form. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Open the recovery email and click on the provided link. This will direct you to a page where you can set a new password for your account. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Return to the Shaarli login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account again. Make sure to update your account settings if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Shaarli account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shaarli support for further assistance.